Good afternoon, guys. This is Phil with XLR8 Roofing and Construction. I'm at a house out here in the Maitland area. It's actually a condo unit building. They called our office, asked us to get them an estimate. This is almost a 15-20-year-old roof, 3-tab system. So I'm gonna jump up on the roof, we'll take a look at it, and then we'll get some pricing together for the customer. Let's go see what we got. All right, guys, so I'm up on the roof here. I wanted to pan the camera back around to kind of show you what we found. Homeowner is not interested in an insurance claim. I'm not sure why. Let me show you what we got here. We have some creased and wind-driven shingles laying on the roof here. We have a couple torn off shingles here, a creased shingle right here. We got a number of these all over the roof, some small impact marks on the ventilation. So I'm gonna reach out to the homeowner, let them know that they do have an insurance option on this possibly. This is a 10, 15-year-old roof, so what we're looking at here is just making sure that we give the homeowner the best advice that we can and see if there's any way we can help them. Obviously, we don't call in insurance claims for homeowners. We allow them to do that and make a decision for themselves, but we are always happy to give them an estimate and provide that to the insurance company. So this is just a 3-tab system on a condo unit, just looking to have this replaced. A little warm out here this morning already. So this is Phil with XLR8 Roofing. If you have any roofing needs, we'd be happy to come out and give you a free inspection, give you some honest advice on how to proceed forward, moving either with the insurance company, or if you're just looking to pay out of pocket for a roof, we'd be happy to help you facilitate that as well. So once again, this is Phil with XLR8 Roofing. We appreciate you watching our videos, and have a good weekend.